Apple's brand new MacBook Neo is selling way better than Apple expected. They originally planned for around 7 million units, but now reports say they've pushed that number close to 10 million because it's selling out so fast. Now think about that for a second. If a $599 MacBook is performing like this, imagine what happens if Apple releases a $299 desktop Mac. I'm talking about a budget Mac Mini, or what many are calling the Mac Neo desktop, and this thing could completely dominate the entire PC market. First, let's talk about the biggest reason this would go viral: the price. A $299 Mac sounds unrealistic. But if Apple pulls it off, it instantly becomes the cheapest and most powerful desktop in its class. Right now, even building your own budget PC at that price is nearly impossible. And even if you manage it, you're not getting the same level of performance, efficiency, or reliability. This would be the kind of device you recommend to literally everyone, especially family members who always need help fixing their computers. Now performance, this is where things get interesting. This Mac Neo would most likely run on an A19 Pro chip. And if you've seen what Apple's A-series chips can do, you already know they're insanely fast for everyday use. We're talking smooth web browsing, instant app launches, and effortless multitasking. And with the A19 Pro, everything gets even faster: better CPU, better GPU, and stronger overall efficiency. But one of the biggest upgrades would actually be RAM. Instead of 8 GB, this could come with 12 GB of RAM as standard. That alone would fix one of the biggest issues budget Macs have right now. More tabs, more apps, less lag, just a smoother experience overall. Now here's something really exciting. Because it uses an iPhone chip, Apple could make this Mac even smaller than the current Mac Mini. It wouldn't need heavy cooling. So imagine something closer to the size of an Apple TV. A tiny, minimal box with just the essentials: HDMI, USB-C, maybe a headphone jack, and that's it. And yes, this could actually be a budget gaming machine too. People are already running games on Apple Silicon using emulation and compatibility tools. With improved GPU performance on the A19 Pro, you could see better frame rates, smoother gameplay, and even support for more demanding titles. On top of that, Apple could make it way more fun by adding colors. Just like the iMac and MacBook Neo, different colors actually drive demand. People love customization, and a colorful Mac Neo would instantly stand out in the market. But there's also a bigger picture here. Devices like the MacBook Neo and this Mac Neo desktop could actually help reduce pressure on the global RAM supply. Apple's chips are incredibly efficient, meaning they can deliver great performance with less memory compared to traditional PCs. So instead of everyone needing 16 GB or more, millions of users could comfortably run on 8 to 12 GB, and that's a huge shift. So yeah, if Apple really launches a $299 Mac Neo, this could easily become the best-selling desktop PC of all time. The real question is, what would you want Apple to include in it? Let me know your thoughts below, and if you want more Apple leaks, future tech, and insane concepts like this, make sure you subscribe.